You can upload data to the DANIO-CODE DCC using our CSV interface. For that, be sure that you're logged in, and then you will see this CSV upload button section. On that page, you will have on the one hand links to the help page where we describe all the terms and controlled vocabularies, and also you can download an example Excel file of a study, which is a very nice template to start with. In this file, each column corresponds to a field for the database, and each row corresponds to one sequencing file. The green columns are for compulsory fields, while the blue ones are conditionally required. For example, the anatomical terms are required if you use a tissue biosample type. Be extra careful with the date because Excel likes to convert this into a different format. The format which is required is year, month, and day. You can provide your FASTQ files either with a web URL or pre-uploaded to the server after you contacted us. As I said, each row corresponds to one run. You will have fields which will be the same for all. There you simply use the same internal ID number and can leave the following rows empty. If it's different, use different internal IDs and each row has to be filled out. When you are done, export this Excel sheet as a CSV file and upload it onto the website. After it's parsed, you will see a presentation of this data in our system. On the top, it's the assays. Below it is the series, and if you click on it, you will see the corresponding biosamples. If you click on the biosamples, you will see the corresponding sequencing information as well as the data URLs. Then you can hit submit, and then it's actually added to our system. When everything was successfully added to our DCC, you will see this page with the link to the specific page of your upload. Thank you very much.